Why does everyone tie their shoelaces in the same boring bows? They're just so unoriginal, and there are many better ways of doing it. Like, you can easily use the surgical hand tying method to make a beautiful chain while refining your surgical technique. All you need to do is cross the right tail over the left, then hold them in shooting position. Slide the thumb of your dominant hand under the lace to make a loop. Swap the loop from your thumb to your index finger. Place the lace in your non-dominant hand on the tip of your index finger and transfer the loop back onto your thumb, pulling at a diagonal with your dominant hand pulling more towards you. Now back from the shooting position, slide the index finger of your dominant hand under the lace and pull the other strand over it to make a loop. Swap the loop from your index finger to your thumb, placing the string in your non-dominant hand on the tip of your thumb. Transfer the loop back, pulling at a diagonal with your non-dominant hand pulling more towards you. This is a surgical square knot. Repeat this process until one of the tails runs out and pull the remaining tail through the first and last straps of the laces. I like to finish it off with a half bow quick release knot. Depending on how great your surgical technique is, you shouldn't need to tie these particular shoelaces ever again.